white is Arena Zalita and the horse Frosty. Pe data na Estos rete eu ci venia aici era Arena Zalita era Gerdas Frosty. Next go tra Erba realidade. And finished Arena Zalita on the horse Frosty. And result of Arena Zalita on the horse Frosty, 4.2 points got this duel in the first phase, and that time 53-69. And now